Ho Wireless Honest Pricing explained what you get for your money. Ho Wireless isn't just another prepaid carrier. You won't believe how flexible and affordable it is. Most people get this wrong by comparing it to postpaid plans, but the surprising truth is Ho offers competitive rates, no contracts and nationwide coverage. Plans start at per month for basic talk and text, while unlimited talk, text and data begins at per month. There are also data-only plans starting at per month. Most people underestimate the value of Ho's pay-as-you-go flexibility, which lets users control costs without surprise bills. Ho Wireless operates on the AT network, providing reliable coverage and LTE speeds in most areas. You won't believe how easy it is to switch numbers or add international calling options for as low as per month. Prepaid plans also include mobile hotspot capabilities and rollover data depending on the plan. In conclusion, Ho Wireless pricing is straightforward and transparent, with no contracts and flexible options. For anyone seeking an affordable, reliable, and customizable wireless plan, Ho provides excellent value, especially for budget-conscious users or those needing temporary service.